Is it the right time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? Today, we're delving even deeper into Mullen Automotive to provide you with a more detailed analysis. If you want to stay informed about our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. This cutting-edge tool taps into the power of artificial intelligence, offering free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 21, 2023, our system has ranked Mullen Automotive as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Although the stock has experienced natural fluctuations, it is currently showing a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering the latest developments, it is difficult to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears there could be a potential 6.46% change in the next 3 months. However, keep in mind that the return could range from -99.30% to 6.46%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -75.14% change over the next year, with a possible return ranging from -100.00% to -54.80%. This means the price could range from $0 to $6.44 after 12 months. Today's update on Mullen Automotive brings some interesting news. The stock price showed high volatility on Thursday, ultimately closing at $14.25. On the last trading day, the Mullen Automotive stock price experienced a significant gain of 17,712.5%. It went from $0.0800 to $14.25. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 169.06%, reaching a low of $6.95 and a high of $18.70. While the price has fallen during 6 out of the last 10 days, it still remains up by an impressive 9,034.62% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded also decreased by 75 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $351.06 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $107.44, while the lowest was $0.0772. Currently, the price is 86.74% or $93.19 below the 52-week high. It's also 99.6% or $3,563.25 below the all-time high, which was achieved on November 17, 2021, when the price reached $3,577.50. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, November 1, 2022, Citigroup reported a reduced grade for MULN with a downgrade action. Analysts have given Mullen Automotive stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Mullen Automotive. The Mullen Automotive stock is showing positive buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, the stock will find support at $2.13 and $0.581. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, December 20, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 17,712.5%. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also signaling a buy. It's worth noting that despite the stocks gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. We have a buy signal from the moving average convergence divergence. Pivots also give us a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average and the long-term moving average both indicate a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages also suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. We need to be cautious with this stock as there is no support from accumulated volume below its current level. In simple terms, this means that if the market conditions are not favorable, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. Additionally, Mullen Automotive is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, predicts a wide range of potential price movements for this stock, indicating a very high-risk investment. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, in the past day, it had a price difference of $11.75 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 169.06% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 56.57%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One significant metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or have negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistent negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 11, 2024. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep a close eye on the volume indicators to determine the optimal time for an exit. On the other hand, there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that under certain conditions, the stock has the potential to drop sharply. It's crucial to exercise caution in such situations, especially if you're a less experienced trader. Consider placing bets only if you have the necessary expertise to navigate these scenarios effectively. Mullen Automotive has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, with a combined average rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider trades, Mishieri David was involved. They bought and sold a total of 18,315,176 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 48.326. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 199,825,595 shares and sold 67,761,615 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $13.89, which reflects a decrease of 2.52%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which poses a high level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 99, which further adds to the overall risk. Additionally, we've identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was detected just 1 day ago. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good buy? Mullen Automotive has shown some positive signals, but we still don't believe it is a strong candidate for a buy at this time. It may be better to hold or accumulate the stock while we wait for further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Our systems have found that the current price is overvalued based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. For trading on Friday, December 22nd, we expect Mullen Automotive to open with a decrease of 95 cents, starting at $13.30. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so make sure to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember, liking and subscribing to our channel will keep you updated with all the latest trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.